Imagine stepping into your dream cruise cabin only to realize half the stuff you packed is about to get confiscated. These 7 banned items for 2026 are the exact things every cruiser wishes they could have in their room. Number 7, Surge Protector Power Strips. The humble surge-protected power strip. Modern cabins have more outlets than ever, but they're still never enough when you've got phones, tablets, cameras, laptops, and portable chargers all needing juice at once. Cruise lines ban most power strips with surge protection because they can overload the ship's electrical system and cause fire hazards. Stick to a basic, non-surge cruise-approved strip if you must, but many lines are tightening the rules. Number 6. Clothing. Iron or portable steamer your clothing iron or that handy travel steamer. Nothing ruins a formal night or port day photo faster than wrinkled outfits after days in a suitcase. But irons and steamers are huge fire risks, so they're confiscated almost immediately. Pro tip, pack wrinkle release spray or hang clothes in the bathroom during a hot shower instead. Number 5. Extra alcohol bringing more than the allowed alcohol. Most lines let you bring 1 bottle of wine or champagne per person, but anything beyond that, especially hard liquor, is a no-go. Cruise lines make serious money from their drink packages and bars, so they protect that revenue. People try sneaky methods, but security is getting smarter with scanners in 2026. Number 4. Bluetooth or portable speakers. Bluetooth speakers and boom boxes. You want to set the mood with your own playlist by the balcony or while getting ready, right? Many lines, including Carnival and Royal Caribbean, now ban personal speakers to cut down on noise complaints and keep the ship's atmosphere controlled. Headphones or the ship's TV audio it is. Number 3. Candles, incense, or wax warmers. Anything with an open flame or heating element like candles, incense, or plug-in wax warmers. Nothing beats that relaxing cabin ambiance with your favorite scent after a long day at sea. But open flames are a massive fire hazard on a ship. Some lines are even stricter now about anything that could trigger smoke detectors. Number 2. Travel Wi-Fi router or hotspot extender. Second place, your travel router or Wi-Fi extender. Internet at sea is expensive and spotty. A lot of people pack these to create their own network and save money, but cruise lines ban them because they can interfere with the ship's own network and security systems. In 2026, enforcement is way up. Number 1, electric kettle or coffee maker, and the number 1 banned essential, a small electric kettle or single-serve coffee maker. Early morning coffee on your balcony while watching the sunrise. Absolute bliss. But anything with a heating element is banned due to fire risks. Some people still try it but expect it to end up on the naughty table at security. These rules exist for safety. Fires and electrical issues are serious business at sea, but it doesn't stop them from feeling frustrating when you're trying to make your cabin comfortable. So there you have it. 7 banned cruise items for 2026 that would genuinely make every cabin better. The key is planning ahead. Check your specific cruise line's latest prohibited items list before packing, because rules can vary and they're getting stricter. What banned item do you wish you could bring? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more cruise tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Safe sailing, and I'll see you in the next one.